Jehovah Gibbor, the mighty man of war. Hey, hey. Jehovah Gibbor, you never lose a battle. When darkness rises, your fire answers. Mountains tremble when you speak your word. Nations bow before your mighty hand. You walked with Moses through the sea. You gave young David victory. You are the shield around your own, the mighty man of war enthroned. When enemies gather against my destiny, your thunder scatters them completely. You silence the voice of fear and shame. Hey, there is power in your holy name. Hey, you break the chains no man can break. Hey, you heal the hearts that pain has shaped. Hey, you fight for me both night and day. Jehovah Gibbor makes a way. The heavens declare your majesty. Creation trembles at your glory. No power of hell can stand your fire. Your presence lifts my spirit higher. You are my refuge in the storm. Your mighty hands keep me secure. Before the battle starts, you win. The Lion of Judah lives within. Hey, you open prison doors for Paul. Hey, you made the walls of Jericho fall. You are the God who answers by fire. Hey, the one who lifts the humble higher. Hey, every giant must bow down. Hey, every evil kingdom falls now. Your blood has given me victory. Jehovah Gibbor fights for me. I will not fear the raging night. I will not fear the raging night. Your glory is my shield and light. Your glory is my shield and light. The battle belongs to you alone. The battle belongs to you alone. Forever seated on the throne, from generation unto generation. You remain the strong salvation. Alpha and Omega, Prince of Peace. Your mighty reign